Hodan's Invisible Crown Scene 1. School Classroom. Morning Hodan was a quiet girl who sat in the back of the classroom. She always helped others, but no one seemed to notice her. Kids are laughing and playing. Hodan is alone, picking up a classmate's dropped books. Hodan softly, "I wish someone saw me." Scene 2. Hodan's room at night time. Hodan lies in bed, looking sad. Suddenly, a sparkle fills the room. A tiny fairy appears. Fairy, "Hello, Hodan." "I'm Luma, the fairy of light. I came to show you something special." Hodan surprised. "Me? But I'm just plain old Hodan." Fairy smiling. "Oh no, my dear. You wear a crown only kind people can see." A golden, glowing, invisible crown appears above Hodan's head. Scene 3. School. The next day, Hodan walks with more confidence. She helps a new student find their seat. She smiles more. "New student, you're really nice. You helped me when no one else did." Friend 1. Hodan's always helping people. Friend 2, she's like a queen of kindness. Scene 4. Hodan smiling. Afternoon, as Hodan walks home, the fairy appears again, invisible to others. "Fairy, your crown shines brighter every time you do good. Keep wearing it proudly." Hodan smiling. "Now I know. Kindness is my superpower." Lesson: true royalty comes from the heart. Be kind, and your invisible crown will shine forever.